First we start with a photograph such as this. I place it in the scanner, scan it into my computer. I actually do the scan. And save it to my hard drive. Once I have the photo scanned into my computer, I open it with Photoshop. I want to apply a frame rather than having just the basic square picture. I want to add some text. Now I must convert my picture to grayscale, since my laser does not understand anything but black and white. Now I close Photoshop and I open another program called Photograph. What this program allows me to do is convert the bitmap file into a different format that the engraver can understand, and thus engrave a nice looking picture. I see a simulation of the image, and if I'm happy with it, I go ahead and I save the image to the hard drive. Once I have my picture all ready to send to the laser, I select a piece of wood and I lay it in here. I reset the machine, and then I test it to make sure that the edge is going to be somewhat centered on this piece of wood. And then I watch my head to make sure that the completed picture stays within the boundaries of my wood. And when I'm satisfied that it's set correctly, I close the lid, turn on all the noisy stuff, and click start. And at this point, all we do is wait. I watch the temperature gauge to make sure that the temperature remains between 50 and 75 degrees. If it gets too warm, the laser will burn up. At this point, it's about an hour and 3/4 to 2 hours, depending on the actual size of the piece and how fast I have the edge on. once my picture is finished engraving, I actually use the laser to cut the finished engraving out. This process uses a totally different mode than the engraving. The wattage is kicked up and the speed increases dramatically. When it's done, we get the head out of the way and we remove the finished product of the waste. When I'm all done, I take the finished product, place it in the frame, put it back on. There we have our finished product.